Hello and welcome to my how-to video on camera angles. I will be showing you a variety of camera angles while also explaining what each one is and what they are used for. So let's get started. First up is high angle shots. When the camera is placed above and is pointing down on the focus, this is a high angle shot. This is usually used to show weakness or inferiority in characters, whether this is a protagonist at a low point or an antagonist carrying a defeat can depend on the story. Next up is low angle shots. A low angle shot is when the camera is placed below the focus and is pointing up at them. This is usually used to give a sense of superiority or power. It could be used to show a protagonist winning, or oppositely, could show an antagonist towering over the protagonist. Dutch angles now. A Dutch angle is when the camera is tilted at an angle between 15 and 30 degrees. A Dutch angle is usually used to portray confusion, madness, or insanity. Establishing shots are next. These are used to show the setting in which the story takes place. The protagonist isn't usually present in these, or at least they aren't the main focus. Now for close-up. Close-up shots simply just show the character's face, without much else. This can be used to better show the character's emotion. And that leads us nicely into the extreme close-up. As the name implies, extreme close-ups usually just show the character's eyes, as the eyes are said to be the window of the soul. This does a better job at showing the pure emotion of a character without just saying it aloud. And finally we have medium shots and medium long shots. These two are very similar, so I'll tackle them together. Medium shots show the character from the waist up and show the background, while medium long shots are from the knee up, but they also show the background. Thank you for listening to my how-to video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and maybe potentially even subscribe.